Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel TechDev98. So today in this video I'll show you how you can create a prompt library. So all we need to do is go to Google Chrome, and here we just need to type web ChatGPT. So this will basically give ChatGPT with internet access. So we need to do add to Chrome, and once it is added to Chrome, a new ChatGPT window will open. And as you can see, here is a whole prompt library. So you have different use cases like summarize, marketing, spreadsheets, product descriptions, email marketing, as well as various categories. So copywriting, SEO, marketing, even you can code with it. And it is having a total of 218 prompts. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel TechDev98. Thank you.